guys, today we are gonna open this unicorn's 3-in-1 chocolate egg. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it. Okay, we have 3. This is the first one. Second one. Come on. Third one. Okay, so which one should I open? Actually, I think I'm gonna open this one. The third one and the first one, let it be like that. Okay. I'm gonna open this one. Wow! Okay, now let me break it. Oh. Oh, I got this little unicorn. So cute. It's adorable. Subscribe for more. Don't forget to click the bell icon. I'll be back with more surprise eggs. We'll open these two eggs in my next videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later.